In this video, you learn some vocabulary which is related to eating. Devour, D-E-V-O-U-R. The meaning of devour is eating greedily. Let me frame you a sentence. He devoured everything on his plate. Here we come across a person who is greedily placing the food on his plate to consume a lot of food. Repast, R-E-P-A-S-T. The food served and eaten at one time. Look at the sentence framed. Every day the mission provides a repast to the city's homeless population. Here we see people from mission provides food to the city's homeless people. The food is served once and also eaten once. Savor, S-A-V-O-R. Let us frame a sentence using savor. Savor the flavor of each mouthful and chew your food well. Here we see a person talking to another. Chew the mouthful of food properly so that you can taste the flavor of food, and eating this way you may lead to appreciate it. Ferocious, V-O-R-A-C-I-O-U-S. Craving food in great quantities. Let us see a sentence framed with ferocious. Kids can have ferocious appetites. The meaning for this sentence is we usually know kids, if they like a food, they crave for it or they eat it in great quantities. Famished, F-A-M-I-S-H-E-D. Extremely hungry. Have a look at the sentence which is framed using famished. The man had not eaten for days, so when I asked if he was hungry, he responded by saying, I am famished. In this sentence, we come across a person reporting about another. A man he met has not eaten for a while. When he asked him whether he was in hunger, he responded that he is extremely hungry. Hope these vocabulary may help you to improve your speaking skill. Keep watching our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.